Alright, hey everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I got something a little different for you. I recently picked up a Talaria Stinger mx4 off a Unicycle for about $4,500 and free shipping too. And we're gonna go on a little ride today. So let's grab the key. This thing's got like a top speed of 55 miles an hour once you cut the limiter wire, which I've already done that. And press start. And we're ready. We're about 79% battery, and then we've got 82 miles on it so far. We're just gonna go on a little loop and then give you my thoughts on it so far before it starts to storm. So let's go. Yeah, for those wondering, yes, I have still been riding the Lowrider ST. Been riding that a lot lately. Went out on it yesterday, and I'll tell you what, after riding this little thing, hopping on that Lowrider ST, it took me about a couple minutes to get back used to it. But no, I'm not stopping riding the Lowrider ST. This is just a little something I picked up to have fun on the side, and you know, so I don't always have to go out on the ST. And this just offers you a different type of riding, which is nice. I can go anywhere my Harley can't go, and just opens up a lot more exploration options for me. And this thing also is really good off-road, and trying to learn how to do some off-road riding, and figured I'd get this little thing, have some fun, take it around everywhere, learn some basics of off-road riding, and then maybe in the future get like a dirt bike or something, because I've always wanted a dirt bike and then to learn how to go off-road and all that stuff. But yeah, just figured I'd start with something, you know, a lot smaller, and then wasn't sure if I totally could enjoy off-roading. Like, I know I love playing dirt bike video games and stuff like that, but you know, doing it in real life is completely different. So, and then this thing, if I don't really like off-roading that much, which I doubt that, then I can always just even take this thing on just regular trails and stuff like that, and pretty much go anywhere I want. So here we did like a little loop. They're probably, the trash people are like, what the heck? But we're gonna go back here and then go by behind the pond or whatever. Which I've been trying. I wanted to ride back there for so long, and then now I finally have this thing I can. And well, yeah, looks like it's gonna rain for sure. So yeah, this thing's pretty quick, as you can tell. Definitely fun. Definitely fun. I know when I first bought it, I was like, should I have bought this little thing? And then as soon as I got it and started riding it, I was like, yeah, that was a good choice. And I think I just went over a branch or something, but we're gonna stand up back here because it's too bumpy for me to be sitting down. And I'm not gonna say much while I'm on the grass back here, or else it's just gonna make me sound dumb because it's so bumpy. But let's go. I'm sitting back down now since we're near the end, and yeah, as you can tell, that thing, it goes pretty good, and it's really quiet, so you know, people aren't really annoyed by it and stuff like that. I'm not going around popping wheelies and stuff like that, annoying people either. So been riding it on like little trails and sidewalks and stuff like that, and then whenever I just come up on someone, I usually just slow down to like 5 miles an hour and then give them as much room as possible, and you know, they don't really care, so that's good. Not trying to piss too many people off. Let's go down here. So yeah, but definitely a fun little bike. I kept the front mudguard off and then the number plate off, so to make it look more inconspicuous. I mean, I know I'm wearing the full face helmet and stuff, but you know, this thing goes 55, so you know, I'm not about to go on there here with a little bike helmet or something, bicycle helmet, because yeah, if I fall going like 40 plus, that's gonna hurt. Even 20 plus, but it's not fun. So we're just gonna go out here. don't really need to take it I mean, you can take this on the street at your own risk or whatever, obviously, because it's not that legal, but it is considered technically like an e-bike, but it all depends on like the cops in your area and stuff. But you know, if I want to go ride on the road and stuff, follow like traffic laws, I'll get on my the Lowrider ST. So on this thing, I'm gonna just go on these little paths like this, and then, you know, it's pretty fun. I've actually discovered a ton of little new paths and trails and stuff. I had no idea were around here because I had never really walked out around out here. If I go somewhere, I'm usually just hopping in the truck or the Harley and stuff like that. So, you know, I was surprised by the amount of trails in this area. So, which is cool. You know, a lot more stuff for me to explore. Different type of exploration, like I said. And, you know, I'm excited to take this thing off-road and see what it can do. Definitely gonna have to be careful though, because yeah, not that experienced off-road. I mean, I play dirt bike games and then watch a lot of dirt bike videos and stuff like that, and so I ain't like that completely not sure what to do, but you know, I'm still really new to off-road riding, so it's a lot different, but you know, it'll help me become a better rider probably, so that's a good thing, and it's a lot of fun. So we're just going back here. Let's turn down here. But yeah, as you can see, you can pretty much take this thing anywhere you want, and so that's pretty cool. I don't know what I'm doing down here actually. Let me turn around. Oh, that's weird, awkward. Alright, let me go. Alright, we're just gonna head back actually now. Not much where else to go that connects back over to where I came from, so we're gonna head back to here, probably hit some grass on the way back instead of taking the trail, because you know, on the trail you can go, but I don't like to go too fast, because just in case I'm rolling up on somebody that's walking and stuff like that, I ain't trying to scare them or piss them off, so you know, you don't really go that fast on the trails. These little walkways and stuff. There's like a grassy area I can ride instead, I'll do that. Right there is like pretty sketch, so I ain't gonna do that. Go down there. But yeah, this thing's super fun. I'll go through here and then I'll go in the grass further up ahead, because there is a lot of bumps on the little walkway, so. But yeah, this isn't like something that's gonna like completely take over me riding the motorcycle Harley or nothing like that. You know, I like everything that's two wheels related, anything I can have fun on, and you know, this thing is definitely fun. If you've got the extra money and you want something to like mess around on, where you don't have to get crazy and throw on a ton of gear or whatnot, you know, this thing is pretty lit. So and it can keep up with traffic, because like I said, it does go 55, so. And I tested that myself, that wasn't just something I saw in a video, so. If I do get on the road, well, in the neighborhoods, I don't give a crap, because, you know, I'm in the neighborhood, so it doesn't really bother me. But, you know, on the main roads and stuff, I'll go on for like a straight and then go like pretty fast, and then, yeah, but then I'll just hop off usually once I get to a stoplight, just because I don't want to be sitting duck at a stoplight where, you know, a cop can just roll up. But right now, we're going 50 right now. I should probably slow down since we're in the neighborhood. But, yeah, this thing's pretty fun. Not a lot of people know what these things are, so they're always like staring at me like, what the heck is that thing? But, you know, it's pretty cool. It doesn't bother people. You know, if I was whipping around here on a little dirt bike and shit, people would be so mad. Just because, you know, that crap is loud. Nothing wrong with that, but yeah. A lot of Karens or whatever. I guess school's starting again soon for kids or whatever. Feels like the summer went by pretty quick, not gonna lie. It was a pretty busy summer though, so busy working and whatnot. Actually, well, I'll turn down the next one or go somewhere else, but actually I'll probably end the video now because I don't know how long the video's been going for. And then tried to record this video the other day, and then my GoPro, I charged it and then it like shut off during the recording at some point when I was doing the outro. And then when I went home to like download the video onto my computer and stuff, it was only like one part of what I recorded, and it was 6 minutes. I was like, what the heck? So I had to come back out here today and redo this, which is fine. So yeah, this time I'm gonna cut it short and not keep it going on too long. So this is the Talaria Stinger mx4. Expect some more like exploration content and whatnot on this thing, and then definitely once I take it off-road, I'm gonna be making videos on that, so keep an eye out for that. But thanks for checking it out and stopping by, and definitely be posting some Harley content again soon. But hope you guys have a good one, and stay riding. Peace.